have noticed there's a date code in many of the templates, usually in the front matter. It's generally a long date, but you don't have to have a long date. There are other options. Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm going to show you some of the date codes, but by no means all of them, that are available to use in Scrivener 3 for Windows. The date placeholders use the format set in your Windows settings. Here's where they are on Windows 10. As you can see, there's only a short and a long date, so those are the only ones I'm going to cover here. But if the setting isn't what you want, that's where to change it. The first thing to note is that only current date placeholders can be used in headers and footers, and that these only show up on compile, not in print preview, because they use the date of the compile to generate the current date. These are the current date codes. The other placeholders that won't work in headers and footers, but will show in print preview, are these. They are created date and the modified date. Now, the interesting thing about these dates is that they relate to the document or folder they're placed in. So if you wanted a date code for your manuscript, you'd have to put it at the top level. I'm sure you can find creative ways to use these codes, but for me, dating iterations of manuscripts seems to be the most likely use, especially if you keep lots of copies printed out of everything you produce.